So first method, Windows Store app troubleshooter, click to start, go to setting, then click to system, scroll down, find out troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, scroll down and click to this Windows Media Player, run, then video playback, and then this one, backend installation transfer to click to run. Both three click and then wait few seconds, it will complete. After that, close it. Then next, check updates. So guys, click to start, go to setting, then Windows update, and you can see if there any optional update available and install them as well. Restart later after all the method completed. Okay, then next, then guys, click to start, type Xbox. So right click, click to app setting, scroll down. So guys, first click to reset, then repair, and then just click to terminate. Okay, okay, and then close it. Then next, so guys, first method, click to start, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is four command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one, and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this 4 command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.